Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a reverse on this Cadet LT42 Intelli Power Optimized Performance XT1 Enduro series. So there's two ways to do this, to do a reverse. The first way would be disengage this right here. So to cut the grass, you have to engage this right here, lock this, lower down the blade to cut the grass. But if you want to, and then to go backward, you would just step on this pedal right here. This backward, this is forward. But if you step this pedal on this pedal right here, and then you still have this engaged right here, it will shut off the engine automatically. You have to disengage the blade in order to you'll be able to go backward. Another way is to do this, to turn when the engine is on right here, when it's on, and then you gotta turn the key to reverse right here, and then push this button until the light comes on. You can do a reverse while cutting. Okay, you can do that. Let's give it a try. Let's turn this on and give me demonstration right here. Okay, to turn it on, just push down all the way down this pedal right here, the one on the left, and then just turn on the key. And now see what I mean right here. If you try to go backward, see if the blade's still engaged, and then you try to go backward, it just shut off the engine automatically. So now let's choose the other way. Okay, the other way would be just turn it on and then turn the key back to R, and then the blade can be engaged. You can cut the grass backward or forward. Okay, so turn it on, press the pedal down, turn this on, turn the key to R here, press the button, and now this one can be engaged. See, by using this right here, by putting the key, by turning the key to R and then press this button on when the light comes on, that means you can just cut the you can engage right here. You can engage the blade, and then you can when you go backward, you cut at the same time. The other way is you just, if you don't disengage this lever right here, the blade, you just when you're going backward, you just shut off the engine automatically. So okay, that's it. That's a little tip right here. There's so two ways to go reverse backward. So let's cut grass for now.